What's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be tie-dyeing my dress. And this is the dress. It's silky on the inside, and on the outside it's like a lacy flowered material, and then it's frilly at the top. And you can wear a belt with it. And this is the dress, and we're going to be tie-dyeing that. I already went ahead and I mixed together the dyes. So I just used food coloring and water, and you have like a greenish yellow, blue color, and purpley pink, like my hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am super excited to make it. It's gonna be fun. So let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so now that we're over here, and I'm gonna put my hair up so that I don't get it in my hair. Alright, so I got it on my table. I got the dress right here, and I got some gloves and some elastic bands. And then here are the dyes. This is the purple, and then we got the blue, and then we have the greenish yellow. So let's get started. I'm super excited. Put the gloves on so I don't get it all over my hands. Alright. I'm gonna open this some more and take them out so it's easier to grab them. Alright, so let's get started. I don't know how I want to do it. Do I want to like twirl it? Or should I twist them individually? I think twist them in individually because then it'd be super cute. Each one, yeah, I don't know. Make like a starburst kind of figure. I think that's what we're going for. So I'm just gonna twist them. I'm gonna take them like this, bunch it up in a ball, however much I want. Take the rubber band and just twist it around the ball that I created. And I'm just going to do that all over the dress, collecting up different pieces. I hope this turns out super nice, because then can wear it. I'm hoping that I can wear it, because I find when I wear it just as a white dress, it kind of feels like I'm wearing a little wedding dress, because where it's just white, and I don't usually just wear just white, so yeah, I'm very messy and I shouldn't be wearing white, so I don't wear white. So we're gonna tie-dye, and hopefully that changes it. I almost have it all bunched up. I think just another one right here, bottom. And we need to do the back side as well. I wish I could play music without getting copyrighted, and then we could listen to some music while we're doing this. But we can't, because I don't know how to do it without getting copyrighted, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so no music for us. No music for us. No, 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 no. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Alright, and I'm just gonna add another one right here. Alright, and this is my dress. This is what it looks like now. So let's get into the dye. The fun hot. All right, so we're gonna start off with the purpley color. I'm gonna shake it up, make sure that it's shaked up good. I should have brought down some scissors. Totally forgot. I'm struggling. I'm gonna go get some scissors and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Okay, so now that we're back with the scissors, let's get started. So like I said, we're gonna start with the purple one. And this what color? All right. So let's just squirt it on. Ooh. Oh my God, this is pretty. I thought this was going to turn out to be like a pinky color, but this is purple and this is really pretty. Oh my God. All right, so I guess we'll just put more purple on. Do the purple first. Put some down here. Splattered around. All right, and then we're gonna go in with the green color. We still got some purple left, so we're gonna save that for the back. And then we're gonna go into this green color, greenish yellow. And let's put this one on this side. Yeah, it's literally like a light, like a neon yellow, almost green. That is really cool. It looks yellow on camera, but it's like a greenish yellow. And that is really cool. Shimmer just literally that's all we're doing, is just squirting them on each. Little ball that I made. Well, not each ball, but each one has a different color. And then I just squirt the paint in parts that don't have the little balls, just little balls. First, I don't have little balls, just to make it look, fill in the white spots. And then we have the blue color. Let's go on with that. All right. I'm gonna add the blue here in the middle of the purple and the yellowy color. We're going to do this little ball and this little patch down here. We'll add a little bit more purple down here. And then we're going to use some here. Splatter it around. Fill in the white spots. I have no idea if I'm doing this right, but this is how I'm gonna do it. And tell you the truth, this is looking really freaking cool. Like, look at that. Oh my God. So let's do the back. With the back, I'm just gonna squirt them around randomly like I did at the front at the end, because it kind of looked cool. And I don't have much left. Like, that's the end of the yellowy green. So let's go in with the purple. See how much purple we can get left out. That is the end of the purple. So we have a lot of blue. I think someone was knocking. That was weird. All right, so we got a lot of blue. So let's go in with that. All right. This is the finished dress. Oh no, we got a little patch. We'll fill that in. All right. So this is the finished product. It looks like this so far. I'm just going to leave it. You're supposed to leave it for a few hours, and then you come back to it and you take it out, see what it looks like, and you let it dry. So I'm going to leave this, and I will come back to it in a little bit, and we will see the results. So I'll speak to you guys when we're ready for the results. Hopefully it turned out good. I'll speak to you guys then. Bye!
3 hours later.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. So the dress is still a little wet, but we are going to take it out and see what it looks like, and then I'm going to hang it up in the sun and let it dry tomorrow because it is late out. And yeah, so the blue kind of took it over, but it still kind of looks pretty cool. So let's take it out, and yeah. So just take out all of these elastics. Sometimes you might have to cut them, but these seem to be coming out pretty easily, just pulling them off. I don't know why the blue took over my dress, but that's okay, I guess. Still looks kind of cool. We just got a few more of these to pull off, and then you guys can see what it looks like. It's looking super nice, actually. Actually kind of looks really cool. This is the dress finished. Can you guys see that? It's like pinkish at the top, and then it kind of fades to like bluish. Ooh, that looks so pretty, actually. And there's the back. I'm kind of really liking it. It looks super nice, and I think it will look even better once it is dry. That looks so nice. Hopefully, hopefully the camera's picking it up and you guys can see it. Looks so nice. I will put a picture up on Instagram of it tomorrow when it's fully dry. You guys can follow me on there. It'll be down below. You can also follow me on Twitter. That will also be down below. Always remember that a little magic always goes a long way. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me tie-dye my dress. I think it's super cute the way it turned out, and I hope you guys think it's cute too. Leave me some comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my social media. It'll be down below. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys in my next video. Bye!